Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of example from chapter number 4. What is the name of chapter number 4? Inverse trigonometric function. I am moving to example 4.23. Question, one of the important 5-mark question. Okay, if a1, a2, a3 an is a arithmetic progression. AP means arithmetic progression with a common difference D. Prove that tan inverse D over 1 plus A1 into A2 plus tan inverse D over 1 plus A2 into A3 plus tan inverse D under 1 plus AN into AN minus 1. We have to prove is equal to AN minus A1. What we have to prove? AN minus A1 over 1 plus A1 into AN. Solution. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? A1, A2, A3, A4 AN means how to find out the common difference between second to first. So common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. Then third to second means A3 minus A2, as well as last term means definitely the previous term AN minus 1, isn't it? Therefore we can write it AN minus 1. Moving to LHS, prove that part. So LHS, what is the value? Tan inverse D over 1 plus A1 into A2 plus tan inverse D over 1 plus A2 and A3 plus tan inverse D over 1 plus AN into AN minus 1. Instead of D, we can apply difference between second to first. What is the meaning? D is equal to A2 minus A1. So tan inverse A2 minus A1 over 1 plus A1 into A2 plus tan inverse of third to second means A3 minus A2 over 1 plus A2 A3 plus plus tan inverse AN minus 1 divided by 1 plus AN into AN minus 1. So next, now what we have to do, listen there. So this is one of the formula. What is the formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy. So just reverse order means the same formula. What will happen? Tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. The same condition, no? Instead of x, we can take it A2. Instead of y, we can consider for A1. What will happen? So tan inverse A2 minus tan inverse A1. Next term plus tan inverse A3 minus tan inverse A2. Suppose next term possible means what we have to write it actually? Tan inverse A4 minus tan inverse A3 the last line. Otherwise, I would like to hear the last line. So tan inverse A1 tan inverse A3 last line definitely tan inverse AN minus tan inverse AN minus 1. Look at their last term. Plus tan inverse A2 minus tan inverse A2 cancel. Suppose next term possible means positive tan inverse A4 minus negative tan inverse A3. Therefore, positive tan inverse A3, negative tan inverse A3 cancel. So one by one we can cancel means what we have to balance? Outside tan as it is, inside tan inverse, balance definitely negative tan inverse A1, last term also positive tan inverse AN. This is starting with the positive means what will happen? Starting with the positive means sorry my dear, this is actually already we apply, no? Why? This is tan inverse of bracket means the tan inverse x, isn't it? Now here also so starting with the positive means the tan of tan inverse AN minus tan inverse A1. This is also tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. What is the formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y means tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. Therefore, so tan inverse of x minus tan inverse y means tan inverse of x minus y. X minus y means an minus a1 divided by 1 plus a1 into an. So now tan inverse cancel means balance an minus a1 over 1 plus a1 into an. This is our RHS. Look at here, what is RHS term? an minus a1 over 1 plus a1 into a1. Therefore, starting with the true LHS term to prove with the RHS. Therefore, we can write it hence proved. Okay. One of the important 5 mark but easy. You have to thorough some basic formula. What is the formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y means tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy, as well as tan inverse x plus tan inverse y means tan inverse of x plus over under 1 minus xy. Okay, I will continue the next example. We stay on the line. Moving to example 4.24, question solve. Whatever the solve line means, we have to show the answer. Last line x. Okay, what is the value of x? Okay, here also tan inverse 1 minus x over 1 plus x is equal to half tan inverse x. Solution. Condition: tan inverse of 1 minus x over 1 plus x is equal to half into tan inverse x. So, what is the formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy. Just reverse order means tan inverse of x minus y over 1 plus xy means tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Say instead of x we can take the value 1, instead of y we can take it value will be x. So what will happen? So consider means actually tan inverse of x means what will happen? So tan inverse 1 then minus tan inverse of x, isn't it? Is equal to opposite side of tan inverse of x. So already we know what is the meaning. Tan pi by 4 means value will be 1, isn't it? So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse x is equal to half into tan inverse x. Again tan inverse tan cancel means pi by 4 minus tan inverse x is equal to half into tan inverse x. Again minus tan inverse x bring out opposite side means pi by 4 is equal to half into tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. Therefore 5 by 4 is equal to common denominator true means tan inverse x plus true tan inverse x. Again pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse x plus true tan inverse x means 3 tan inverse x divided by true. Therefore pi by 4, isn't it? So pi by 4, so now pi by 4 is equal to 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Again whole term interchange means 3 by 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4, isn't it? Now 3 by 2 bring it opposite side means tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 into 2 by 3. Again 2 and 4 cancel means 2 times. Now tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 into 3 means 6. Therefore x is equal to tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So 30 degree means x is equal to value will be 1 by root 3. This is answer for example 4.24. Okay, I will continue the next example. Example 4.25 question, sin inverse x greater than cos inverse x. Before moving to the questions, in your book properties of inverse trigonometric function. So property number 9 subdivision 4 given one of the important property, cos inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of square root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Solution, the given condition sin inverse x greater than cos inverse of x. So instead of cos inverse x we can write it sin inverse square root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x greater than sin inverse of square root of 1 minus x square. Add sin on both sides. Add sin on both sides. What will happen? Sin into sin inverse of x greater than sin into sin inverse of square root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse cancel, sin inverse cancel means x greater than square root of 1 minus x square. Now squaring on both sides means, so squaring on both sides means x square greater than 1 minus x square. So minus x square bring out opposite side means x square plus x square greater than 1. Therefore, so x square plus x square means true x square greater than 1. Therefore, x square greater than 1 by 2 means x greater than 1 by root 2. So plus or minus also possible. So just you have to positive line means, because we know the domain minus 1 to positive 1. If you do one number line means what will happen? Minus 1 to positive 1. We have the result also positive. Positive 1 by root 2 means what is the x value actually? X belongs to 1 by root 2 positive 1. But 1 we have closed bracket. But 1 by root 2 starting with greater than, not or equal. So we can write it open bracket. So answer x belongs to 1 by root 2 open to 1 closed to. Okay. This is answer for example 4.25. I will continue the next example. Example 4.26. Show that, okay, one of the important 3 mark questions. Show that the cot of sin inverse x is equal to square root of 1 minus x square over x. We have to prove, okay. So solution, I will consider for LHS term. So LHS cot of sin inverse x. Instead of sin inverse x taking theta means theta is equal to sin inverse x. Therefore, sin bring out opposite side means sin theta is equal to x, the first term. Then already you know the 3 basic identity. The first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what is the meaning of cos square theta? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to sin theta means already we know x means we can write now 1 minus x square. Therefore, cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Now, according to the Osa-Chota form, so Osa-Chota means if you draw one right angle, hypotenuse opposite, isn't it? Opposite adjacent. Sin theta divided by 1 means here also divided by 1. Sin theta means opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite value will be x, hypotenuse value will be 1. Next term also cos theta means adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse already we know the value will be 1, but adjacent value is square root of 1 minus x square. So from this right angle triangle, what we need actually cot theta, isn't it? Cot theta is equal to, what is the meaning of cot theta? Reciprocal of tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore cot theta means adjacent divided by opposite. Therefore cot of, instead of theta we have to consider for what is the value, sin inverse x, isn't it? Therefore cot sin inverse x is equal to adjacent, what is the value? Adjacent square root of 1 minus x square divided by opposite x. This is our RHS. So we can write it hence proved. Okay. So please listen, my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next example. Example 4.27. Solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, now we have to find out the solution. So I will rewrite the question. What is the question? Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. What is the formula? First we have to consider x is equal to 2x and y is equal to 3x. Okay. Now the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y over 1 minus xy. So instead of x we can take it 2x, instead of y we can apply 3x. So now tan inverse of 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. So tan inverse, bring out opposite side, means tan pi by 4, isn't it? 2x plus 3x means 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4. Again 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4 means value will be 1. Again cross multiply means pi x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. Therefore minus 6x square, bring out opposite side, means positive 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can apply sum product rule. Sum product rule means product means 6 into minus 1 minus 6. So product means minus 6. Sum means positive 5. Already I told you, if you have product in negative sign means selected to one positive, one negative. Which one positive means sum, bigger number should be positive. Why? We have the sum answer positive result. Therefore definitely we can say 6 and minus 1, isn't it? 6 and minus 1. So bigger number is positive. 6 into minus 1 means minus 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to positive 5. Therefore 6x square, instead of plus 5x means plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again 6 take common outside means, otherwise 6x take common outside means 6x take common outside means x plus 1. Next condition, minus 1 take common outside means x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next what we have to do, common factor x plus 1, remaining factor 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. So separate 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next condition, 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. The first one x is equal to minus 1. Second one x is equal to positive 1 means x is equal to 1 by 6. Now check it, which one suitable answer, whether both or only one solution. Okay, first we have to apply, because there is formula, one is the condition xy less than 1. First if we consider, if x is equal to minus 1 means what will happen? So x is equal to minus 1 means x is equal to what is the value actually? If x is equal to minus 1, x value 2x, isn't it? So 2x into 3x. Instead of x we can apply minus 1. Okay, 2 into minus 1 and 3 into minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 means minus 2, 3 into minus 1 means minus. Therefore, 2 into 3 means positive 6. So definitely not less than true 1, isn't it? 6 is greater now. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 does not satisfy value, isn't it? X is equal to minus 1 does not satisfied. Next condition, x is equal to minus 1 by 6, isn't it? If x is equal to 1 by 6, what will happen? X is equal to 1 by 6 means again x into y means x is equal to 2x, isn't it? So x is equal to 2x means again 2 into 1 by 6. Next one 3 into 1 by 6. Again 2 and 6 cancel. Again 3 and 3 cancel means sure 1 by 6 less than 1. This is satisfied equation. Therefore, the only one satisfied solution. Therefore, the only one satisfied equation which is x is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, this is answer for example 4.27. Okay, I will continue the next example. Example 4.28, solve tan inverse x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 under x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Solution, the main formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y over 1 minus xy. This is whole term consider for x, consider for y. Now, tan inverse of x plus y. What is x value? X minus 1 over x minus 2 plus x plus 1 over x plus 2. 1 minus x value x minus 1 over x minus 2, then x plus 1 over x plus 2. Now what we have to do? Tan inverse, the common denominator x minus 2 into x plus 2, the whole term divided by cross multiply means x minus 1 into x plus 2, next term plus x plus 1 into x minus 2, denominator x minus 2 into x plus 2, 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 2 means same value, x minus 2 into x plus 2, then minus of x minus 1 into x plus 1, isn't it? Now tan inverse of common denominator no cancel, remaining tan inverse of x minus 2 into, but is equal to pi by 4, isn't it? Here also is equal to pi by 4, here also pi by 4. So next term, tan bring out opposite side, no? So tan pi by 4 will come, isn't it? So tan pi by 4 means what will happen? So next step, after cancellation, x minus 1 into x plus 2, then plus x plus 1 into x minus 2, the whole term divided by denominator x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus of x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to tan pi by 4, because tan inverse bring out opposite side. Now what we have to do? Simplify. X into x means x square plus 2x minus x. Next condition, plus x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus x minus 2. The whole term divided by denominator a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Therefore, we can write it x square minus 2 square means 4. Next step, minus of again x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is also a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. That is called x square minus 1 is equal to tan pi by 4 means value will be 1. Now what we have to do? So denominator plus 2x minus 2x cancel, then minus x plus x cancel, x square plus x square means true x square minus true whole time divided by denominator x square minus 4. If you remove the bracket means minus x square plus 1 is equal to 1. Now, so the simplification 2x, sorry, here also minus 1 into minus 2, there is one constant term will come, no? Minus 2 and minus 2 means this is minus 4, isn't it? Now what we have to do? So now 2x square minus 4, denominator plus x square minus x square cancel, therefore minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3 is equal to 1, isn't it? Next what we have to do? Numerator 2x square minus 4 is equal to cross multiply means minus 3 into 1 means minus 3. Therefore, 2x square is equal to minus 4 bring out opposite side means 4 minus 3. Therefore, again 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to positive 1. Therefore, x square is equal to 1 by 2 means x is equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of 2. This is answer for example 4.28. Okay, I will continue the next example. Example 4.29, what we have to do? Solve, okay. I told you already, we have discussed in so many problems also. Solve, when you meet the line means you have to find out x of the value, okay. Listen, solution, the given condition cos of sine inverse x by square root of 1 plus x square is equal to sine of cot inverse, isn't it? So cot inverse 3 by 4, isn't it? So now what we have to do? According to the Osa Chota. So Osa Chota means we have to draw true right angle, isn't it? True right angle means what is the meaning of sine? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse, isn't it? This is called opposite adjacent. Look at there, opposite value x, hypotenuse value square root of 1 plus x square. So what is the meaning of adjacent? First definition of Pythagoras theorem. In any right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides, isn't it? So other two side means square root of 1 plus x square. Here also square root of x square means, but minus x square will come. Plus x square minus x square cancel means square root of 1 means value will be 1. Moving to second term, cot inverse, isn't it? Cot inverse means reciprocal of tan. What is the meaning of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore, cot theta means adjacent divided by opposite. So adjacent divided by opposite. Look at there. Adjacent value will be 3. Opposite value will be 4. So any right angle triangle means square of hypotenuse. So 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9, 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So square root of 25 means 5 will come. So we have to rearrange it here. Inside cos inverse means cos and cos inverse cancel. The first term cos of cos inverse means, what is the meaning of cos theta? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Next condition is equal to sine of sine inverse means opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse adjust, sine means opposite. So 4 by 5, isn't it? 4 by 5. Sine inverse cancel, cos inverse cancel. 1 by square root of 1 plus x square is equal to 4 by 5. Now squaring on both sides means square will be removed, isn't it? Squaring on both sides means 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to 16 by 25. Therefore cross multiply means 16 into 1 plus x square is equal to 25. If you remove the bracket, means 16 plus 16x square is equal to 25. Therefore, 16x square is equal to 25 minus 16. Again, 16x square is equal to 25 minus 16 means 9 will come. Therefore, x square is equal to 9 by 16. So, x square is equal to 9 by 16 means x square is equal to 9 by 16 means x is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 by 16. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 means 3, square root of 16 means will be 4. Therefore, answer for x is equal to plus or minus 3 by 4. Okay. So, example is over. In chapter number 4, I will continue the last exercise 4.5. Okay. Moving to exercise 4.5, question number 1. Find the value of if it exists. Suppose some question, if not x mean, give the reason for non-existence. Okay. One by one we can discuss solution. So, subdivision 1, sine inverse of cos pi. Now, sine inverse of cos pi means value will be minus 1. Sine pi by 2 means value will be 1, isn't it? Therefore, we can write it sine inverse of sine pi by 2. Now, sine inverse sine cancel means but negative sign, isn't it? So, here we can write it negative pi by 2. Therefore, we can write it negative pi by 2. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Subdivision 1. Moving to subdivision 2 question. Tan inverse of sine negative 5 pi by 2, isn't it? Already we know sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. How? Look at there. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 4 pi, it's moving on. Sine of minus theta means what is the meaning? 0 minus theta or 360 minus theta. 360 means 2 pi. So, 2 pi minus theta means cyclic order 2 pi minus. So, fourth quadrant, all silver teacup means fourth quadrant cos only positive. That's why we are saying sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Just how to rearrange it. Tan inverse of minus sine 5 by 2. Now, tan inverse of minus, how to expand pi by 2? 2 pi plus pi by 2. So, already we know sine of 2 pi plus theta. So, 2 pi plus theta means first quadrant. First quadrant means all value will be positive. So, we can write it sine theta, isn't it? So, therefore, sine 2 pi plus theta tan inverse of minus sine pi by 2, isn't it? Sine pi by 2. So, first question also we know sine pi by 2 means value will be 1, isn't it? But minus 1 is there, we can write it minus 1. Again, tan inverse of tan pi by 4 value will be minus 1, but here negative sign is, therefore we can write it negative tan pi by 4. So, tan inverse tan cancel means negative pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Subdivision 2 is over. Moving to subdivision 3rd. Sine inverse of sine pi, isn't it? But sine inverse sine means sine inverse sine cancel means we can't sure because it does not belongs to pi by 2 to positive. Why? Negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, because in radians what is the value of pi means 3.14 divided by 2 means 1.57. So we can sure this is 5 does not belongs to negative 1.57 to positive 1.57. So we have to rearrange it. How to rearrange? According to the unit circle, 0, pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 3.14 divided by 2 means 1.57. There is pi means 3.14. 3 pi by 2 means 4.26. Again 2 pi means 6 point. This is 4.7 will come. Here 6.26 will come. So actually the sin pi in between 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, isn't it? So how to rearrange it? Actually pi less than or equal to 3 pi by 2 to positive 2 pi. Now what we have to do? Add negative 2 pi in both sides. Then only we can show it the value in between negative 1.57 to positive 1.57. So add negative 2 pi each and every side. Three pi by 2 minus 2 pi less than or equal to pi minus 2 pi less than or equal to 2 pi minus 2 pi. Again cross multiply means 2 into 2 pi means 4 pi. 3 pi minus 4 pi means minus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi minus 2 pi less than or equal to 0. So we can write instead of 0 positive pi by 2, because listen there, negative pi by 2 less than or equal to pi minus 2 pi positive pi by 2, because 0 value also in between negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So no, it's not affect to other value. Okay, so the final line, how to finish it? Sin inverse of sin pi is equal to sin pi. Actually what is the meaning? Pi minus 2 pi, isn't it? So sin inverse of sin, instead of pi we can write it pi minus 2 pi. Again sin inverse sin cancel means pi minus 2 pi. This is belongs to negative 1.57 to positive 1.57. Okay, this is answer for subdivision third. Okay, so please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I hope you are satisfied with this session. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.